Hey guys, welcome back to SingView and this is Pamra. Today I'll be unboxing Amazon Fire Stick. This is a media streaming device launched by Amazon. This stick is based on Android and having an OS called Fire OS. This one is MediaTek processor which is 1.3 GHz and having an internal storage of 8 gigs and a RAM of 1 GB. The Wi-Fi is a dual band Wi-Fi with Bluetooth 4.1 support. The remote which is given with this is a voice support remote which works on Bluetooth technology. Let's just unbox it. This is a pretty minimal and simple device and it's really good for media streaming. Now right off the bat, when you unbox it, you can see that the boxing has been done pretty nicely. This is orange and black accents. And you are welcomed with a couple of paperwork which gives us some details about the device. And here is the power cable which is used to power up the device. You can either use the given charger or else the TV itself. This is the HDMI extender which will be used if you don't have enough space to plug in your device. This is how it looks with the adapter connected. This is the power adapter. I won't be using this. I will be hooking it up with my USB port of the television itself. This is the remote control, the voice controlled remote. And this here is the device itself. It's a pretty small stick, easy to carry anywhere. You can carry it in your pocket also. You can see there's only one port which is micro USB port for powering up the device, and the HDMI connector over there. This is the remote control. Let's just peel the plastic off. This is very lightweight remote control and very well built. Works on two AAA batteries which are supplied in the package. This is the voice button with which you can search with your voice. This is how the buttons look, and this is the Amazon branding at the bottom of it. The buttons are really tactile and well built. Unfortunately, there is no volume control on this thing, so you will have to control your volume with the TV itself. This is the startup screen. Now it's saying that the USB port is not supported because I have hooked it up with my television only. It is connecting to my Wi-Fi network now. So it's registered. Now it's asking if I'm the same person. This is the great thing. If you order it from Amazon, your account details will already be filled within the device. You just have to acknowledge it. This is the start screen. They are telling us about the features that it has, the voice control features, and you also have a remote app on Android and iOS which you can install on your smart device. It's asking me to choose the apps I want to download for the first time. I'll choose a couple of these. Download apps. As this is based on Android, we can sideload any Android app. There's a workaround for that also. Let's just quickly head on to the settings and see the version. So these are the device details you have here. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and do hit the like button if you liked the video, and do subscribe. Thank you.